Hey.
Hello. And welcome to my YouTube page. This is fantastic. Acknowledge Haley brushing her hair. Release! Lamm.
No.
Devil, leave. So anyway, what's up?
Your
We were
phone
just.
is
I
talking
know.
to
Yeah, my phone is talking to me. So now. I know. But so we were going through some ringtones, and we just thought, well, we'd share all the little dances. How do you turn your? Okay, wait. Hold up. These ringtones. That's fantastic. Next.
This is Evan's ringtone. Twirl away.
Wait, we gotta find the other one. Well, that's great.
That's Renee's alarm clock.
Pokemon, gotta catch 'em all. Beep, 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 beep. Okay, I'm done. Good.
Fail.
Yeah, that's great. Lame. Lame. Okay. I'm good. That's great. Okay.
Game over. I think we just played these. No, we didn't.
Wait, is it Exner? Ether Snake.
Not Inner Snake. Dream theme.
Oh, I gotta put my hood up.
I don't have a hood.
Sad for you.
Yeah, we're done.
Hold on! No, we're not. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. What? What did you just say? I was going for my ringtones, Missy. Freak. Oh, vibrate mode activated. That would be why. Guess where this is from?
Impossible!
How about this one?
The Office.
Well, I gotta find this. There we go. The Office. The Office! Now this one, I swear to God, if you don't get it... Play. Oh! Beep, 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 beep. You teach me and I'll teach you Pokemon! catch 'em all. Oh, this is the best one. Phone. The phone is ringing. Phone. We'll be right there.
Yeah.
Phone. The phone is ringing. And it ends. Sad. Here's a good one. This is a favorite.
I'd like to call this little number striped sweater.
Best time to wear a striped sweater is all the time with the collar turtleneck. That's the kind. 'Cause when you're wearing
Sweater.
here's a good one.
Hey, Super Mario.
That's fantastic.
Ring, ring,
Hello.
ring, ring.
Hello. Ring ring. Hello. Ring ring. Hello. Ring ring ring. This is my friend Julian's theme song and his text message song. Here we go. This is my favorite.
Oh, when you're down and looking for some
Cheering up.
then just head right on up to the
Candy Mountain Kid, I can't hear it.
Get inside, you'll find yourself a cheering up. Such a happy and joy-filled and perky Maryland. They've got lollipops and gummy drops and candy.
I don't know this one.
Charlie the Unicorn.
Do the I Love Eggs?
I do not. But I have some funky Verizon ones. Like this one. This was my alarm usually. Good morning. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Rise and shine. Good day. Here's Rodeo Clown. That's fantastic. Oh, this one's funny. Oh, that's fantastic. Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah, not for you. Sorry. Ooh, this was called Surf the Groove. That's promising. Oh, wait, here we go, here we go!
Losers.
Ooh, this is called Ride the Tiger. Deep Blue Calling. Reminds me of fishes. Like, how did you do that? Fishes. Fairy plate palaces. Central Park. No. Balmy climate. Spring legend. East of rain. No ring.
Ray doesn't have a ring. See, she's not married.
Mm-hmm.
I guess we hope not.
Hey.